Asus celebrates its 30th anniversary in the graphics card industry with an innovative lineup showcasing the ROG Matrix GeForce RTX 5090 model. This year's highlight is a sleek new GPU that pays homage to its early 2000s design philosophy, emphasizing minimalism and performance excellence. While the exact price remains uncertain, it is expected to be priced higher due to its premium build quality and visual appeal. One thing stands out: Asus has long been a leader in the GPU market since 1996 with its iconic 375 processor. Now, back to the brand celebration. Asus unveils a 30th anniversary edition featuring a stylish modern design. However, what truly sets this product apart is its potential for value. If you're looking for a unique experience, consider comparing it to Microsoft's 50th anniversary Surface laptop giveaway. www.xdadevelopers.com/Surface 50th anniversary competition. But here's where it gets controversial. Will this GPU bring about a renaissance in gaming? And this is the part most people miss: its ability to deliver exceptional performance right from the start. As Asus enters its 30th anniversary, the question remains: how much will this product cost? After all, the base recommended price for a mass-produced 5090 is $1,999, which we've never actually seen sell for that price until just the other day. So, what's a 30th anniversary edition with super cool lighting going to sell for? Who knows? If you're like me, wondering how this might look, Asus entered the GPU market all the way back in 1996. Back then, the company introduced the 375, a low-end processor designed for everyday use. Today, they've built on that foundation with a newer generation. To gauge the value, visit Asus's website, rog.asus.com/graphicscards ROG Matrix P32G-30th, and see if the product includes anything special beyond its core features. In conclusion, even though it may not offer the same level of exclusivity as Microsoft's Surface, Asus's commitment to innovation suggests it could be worth the investment.